traveling. We've been out of town 3 weekends in a row, and I am so behind on everything YouTube that today I'm going to go ahead and upload that video closet reorganization that I told y'all about that was very on Pinterest. I've decided to just go for it today because it's been in my computer ready to go for so long. So I'm going to upload it right now for you. And you'll have to excuse the cardboard box in the bottom of the closet. I am going to switch that out to something a little more glamorous, but it's still there right now, just so you know. All right, here you go, everybody. Here is a hall closet over by the guest room, and my bathroom is over there. So I thought that I would show it to you. This is so bad. It's making me crazy every time I come in here because it's just awful, and I need to organize it, and today's the day. The way I've decided to organize it, y'all, is to empty it first. It sounds horrible, but I truly believe it is the only way. And let me show you something. I may have shown you this in another video, but you see I have these horrible wire shells. I hate them because everything falls through. My husband has this weird, I think he calls it polycarbonate, that they throw out. They're like cutoffs from his business, and he got them all cut, and they're on every single shelf in this apartment, every single wire shelf. It's the greatest thing, and they're clear so it doesn't block the light, you know, and make the closet super dark. All right, this is supposed to be my office closet, which is back there. My office is behind me, but that giant closet in there is my clothes closet. So this is supposed to be office stuff only, but it's also become a catch-all. I mean, why is there one sheet, towels, lamps, cleaning supplies, beauty supplies, empty things. Oh, it's awful. So I'm going to empty this and show you how much stuff was in. I got the closet emptied out, other than there's my drink. I left these office supplies here because I know that's what I'm going to want them. This is my label maker and some other stuff. And then I've got these 2 blanks, and then on the floor down, or 1, 2, 3, 4 empty shelves. And then on the floor, I left my sewing machine. I left this box. I know what's in it. I know what's in there. That's some pillow stuff, and that's the cleaning products I use for my bathroom right here. So that's going to be fine there. That's a good spot for it because I don't have room in my bathroom. So let me go show you my where all this stuff is. Y'all, it starts here. That's my curlers. This is kind of all miscellaneous beauty stuff that I don't use that often. This is all ribbons and arts and crafts, and some stuff's empty, and glue guns and empty boxes and stuff. So I'm hoping to really narrow this down. But here's where I do my filming. Okay, I sit right there, and as y'all can see, this is just Dollar Tree wrapping paper. But when I sit like that and I angle my camera just right, you can't tell, can you? People think it's wallpaper. It's just Dollar Tree wrapping paper. And I can see right there it's starting to fall down a little bit to fix that. Anyway, that's just wrapping paper. So if you need a backdrop for your video, look, you can't hardly tell. Now, I would have gone all the way to the end of the wall, but they were out of it. I didn't buy enough. I only bought 2 rolls. So anyway, yeah, that's the whole situation. Now, I have more of a different print. Come spring, I'm going to change it to a different print, so that'll be fun. But yeah, this was super easy. I thought I'd show y'all the progress. I've been at it for 25 minutes since I started. So that is this really cute cat little file thing that my daughter got me in Paris, or Italy one. I think it was Paris. So I'm not sure if that's going to go up there, but that's going to be crafts, okay? This is all office stuff, and this shelf will be office stuff. I was able to get some stuff off my shelf in there that's supposed to be prettier in my office, and now everything's in here where it should be. And if everything like this is here, then I know it's here. But if I have some in here, some in there, some in the, you know. And then I decided to keep one shelf for extra bathroom things because my bathroom in there, the cabinet is tiny, and I don't want to cram it where I can't enjoy using it. So I know this is travel stuff. I know this is overflow. There's my electric curlers. You know, I know what's in here, so it's okay to have it in here. You know what I mean? And then the bottom is the same. So that's just a little update. Okay, y'all, this is all that I have left. This is all empties, all empty containers. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them because I've got to do my master bathroom closet, and I've got these extra sheets and towels that are all going to go in my master bathroom, but I'm not going to take them there now because I've got a lot of work to do in there. So let me show you the finished product. Let me get this where you can see. All right, this is like a home decor thing that I don't want to get rid of, but it's full of different kind of, you know, fancy scissors. And that is full of ribbon because it just really stores nicely there. This is all crafts. I need new labels on some of it, and I will be doing that. This is office stuff. This is my laminator, my two different slicer things. This is empty shelf right here. There's again my bathroom overflow stuff because I have a tiny bathroom, and there's just the bottom and the cleaning stuff. So I think I did pretty good. So let's see. Alexa, how much time do I have left on my timer?
You have 12 minutes left on your 1 hour timer.
Okay, I have 12 minutes, and basically everything's put away. So that's exciting. I have a trash bag, and I only had to give away one thing because everything else was either trash or I was keeping it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this closet redo. It took me 48 minutes, not too shabby.